Hello students, today we will do this exercise page 76 of chapter 6 of understanding our criminal justice system class 8th. Today we will do the exercise. Let's see what is written. In a town called Peaceland, the supporters of the Fiesta football team learned that the supporters of the Jubilee football team in the nearby city about 40 kilometers away have damaged the ground on which the final between both teams is to be held the following day. A crowd of Fiesta fans armed with deadly weapons attacked the homes of the supporters of the Jubilee football team in the town. In the attack, 10 men are killed, 5 women are gravely hurt, many homes are destroyed, and over 50 people injured. Imagine that you and your classmate are now the part of the criminal justice system. First, divide the class into the following 4 groups of the person: police, public prosecutor, defense lawyer, judge. The column on the right provides a list of functions. Match these with the roles that are listed on the left. Have each group pick the functions that it needs to perform to bring justice to those who were affected by the violence of the Fiesta fans. In what order will these functions be performed? Roles and functions. So, what the functions of the police functions are: record the statements of the witness. Record the statements of the witness. This is a function of the police. Take photographs of the burnt home. Take photographs of the burnt home. This is also function of police. This is also the function of police. Then record the evidence. This is also the function of police. Record the evidence. Arrest the Fiesta fans. Arrest the Fiesta fans. Then get the assaulted. Then get the assaulted woman medically examined. Then meet the accused person. Meet the accused person. These first, second, third, fourth, fifth, 6 points are the functions of the police. Then public prosecutor. What public prosecutor says? First we have understand police functions. Then police सबसे पहले जांच करेगी, इन्वेस्टिगेशन करती है, सबूत इकट्ठा करती है और दोषियों को पकड़ती है. फिर उसके बाद आता है पब्लिक प्रोसिक्यूटर. उसके फंक्शंस होते हैं आर्ग्यू द केस फॉर द विक्टिम्स. दिस इज द फंक्शन ऑफ पब्लिक प्रोसिक्यूटर. पब्लिक प्रोसिक्यूटर सरकार की तरफ से विक्टिम के लिए केस लड़ता है. देन कम्स द डिफेंस लॉयर. डिफेंस लॉयर का क्या फंक्शन होता है? क्रॉस एग्जामिन द विटनेस. डिफेंस लॉयर क्रॉस एग्जामिन द विटनेस. डिफेंस लॉयर आरोपी को, जो एक्यूज्ड है, की तरफ से गवाहों से सवाल करता है. देन comes the judge. And what is the function of the judge? Hear the witnesses. Hear the witnesses. Hear the witnesses. Examine the witnesses in the court. Examine the witnesses in the court. Then conduct the fair trial. Conduct the fair trial. Write the judgment. Write the judgment. This is the 4th point. write the judgment, and this is the third point. And this is the first, hear the witness, and the second point is examine the witness in the court, then conduct the fair trial, third, and then fourth is write the judgment. Where it's the fourth point I have written, I myself, yes, write the judgment. Decide for how many years the accused will be put in jail. Decide for how many years the accused will be put in jail. This is the 5 points which the judge will these are the functions of the 5 points, the functions of the judge. जज न्यूट्रल होता है, दोनों तरफ की सुनता है और न्याय जस्टिस देता है. So we have done the roles that are listed on the functions that you perform by bringing. We have done the functions performed, to be performed. Functions we have done. Now let's read this. Now take the same situation but ask one student who is the supporter of the Fiesta Club to perform all the functions listed above. Do you think the victim would get justice if only one person perform all the functions of the criminal justice system? Why or why not? Since state 2 reasons why you believe that different persons need to play different roles as a part of the criminal justice system. Now the second part, order of the functions. So here we have seen what the saying, where we have to see the orders of the functions. We have what are the orders of the function? Correct order. First is police investigate sabut statement photos. Second point is police arrest the accused. Third is medical examination of injured. Fourth is care goes to the case goes to the court. Fifth point is public prosecutor argue for victims. Sixth point is defense lawyer defends accused. Seventh point is judge hears and examines witnesses. Eighth point is judge conducts fair trial. Ninth point is judge writes and passes judgment. 10th point is judge decides punishment. These are the orders of functions. These functions how we will order these functions? We have orders these 10 functions like this, which I have just read in front of you, that these are the orders of the functions. In what order it is written, in what order will these functions be performed? So again we will see the correct order. First is police investigate. Police investigate. First order is police. Order, correct functions of the orders are, first is police investigate. Police investigate. Police investigate. Then police arrest the accused. Then third is medical examination of injured. Medical examination of injured. Fourth is case goes to the court. Fifth is public prosecutor argues for victims. Public prosecutor argues for victim. Then sixth is defense lawyer defends accused. Defense lawyer defends accused. Seventh is judge hears and examines witnesses. Judge hears and examine witnesses. Eighth, judge conduct fair trial. Judge conduct fair trial. Ninth is judge writes and passes judgment. Judge writes and passes judgment. 10th, judge decides punishment. Judge decide punishment. So these are the order 10. Now the next point is part 3. If only one person does all roles, if only one person perform all the functions of criminal justice system, then we will say no. Here we will say no. Victims will not get justice. Why we will say no? Because two victims will not get justice. And for why not? And why not, the answer will be why not, for answer will be 4 points we will say. Why not? Because one person can be biased. No fairness, no checks and balance, power misuse possible. एक ही व्यक्ति पक्षपात हो सकता है, न्याय फेयर नहीं होगा, गलत फैसले का खतरा होगा. So then the state 2 reason why you believe that different persons need to play different roles as a part of the criminal justice system. So there are the 2 reasons. State 2 reasons it is written. So to reason 1 is different role ensures fair and impartial justice. अलग अलग लोग होने से पक्षपात कम होता है. And second reason is it creates checks and balance on power. कोई एक व्यक्ति ज़्यादा पावर का गलत यूज कर सकता है. So these are the 2 reasons which we have given. Justice तभी मिलता है जब पुलिस, प्रोसिक्यूटर, डिफेंस लॉयर और जज अपना अपना काम अलग अलग और ईमानदारी से करें. So thank you. This chapter exercise is completed and last page is only glossary for important terms to be understood.